Hi, my name is Kristin Hepp with Coldwell Banker United Realtors, and I am here today with CT Hancock of Coldwell Banker Mortgage. And we just wanted to run through a couple of must-have items if you are ready to shop for a house and you're thinking about starting the loan process. So first of all, CT, when should a buyer actually start the pre-approval process in regards to getting a loan?
Well, that's a great question, Kristen, and that's one of the things that new buyers are always looking for, is the initial pre-approval process should be really done at the very beginning of the whole process before a buyer goes out and looks at properties with you guys. So the sooner you can get your buyer to talk with the lender, and hopefully it'll be us with Coldwell Banker, then we can get the documents, paperwork, and they'll know exactly where they stand to be able to purchase a home.
As far as what a buyer is going to need to bring to you to get that pre-approval letter or that pre-qualification, what are the must-have items there?
The initial must-have items for us to do a good, true pre-approval is pay stubs to cover a full 30 days and bank statements. And the bank statements show the actual assets. Along with those items, we can pull 2 years worth of employment history and residence history for a credit report. So with that, we can run the automated approvals with a full credit report to make sure that the buyer is truly approved.
Nice. And then once a buyer finds a house and they're ready to make an offer, thinking about what they're going to initially have to invest, what are they looking at in terms of closing costs and down payment and other fees associated with the loan?
That's a very good question. We get that quite a bit initially with new buyers and existing buyers because loan programs are changing, quite substantially over the years. So it really depends on whether we're doing a VA, an FHA, or a conventional loan. And with each of those, you have your down payment lines. With the down payments, a conventional loan starts at 5%, VA at 0%, and FHA at 3.5%. Each of those, though, you still have closing costs and prepaids. So it really depends on the buyer, what their situation is with their funds for their down payment or closing costs, and then how you as the agent writes the contracts to be able to either add the closing costs into the sales price or potentially pay it out of pocket. So there's quite a few options that have to be addressed.
Well, options are always good. Thanks, CT, for sitting down with me today.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. So if you guys have any additional questions about the loan process, I would highly suggest contacting CT Hancock with Coldwell Banker Mortgage. And of course, if you have any general real estate questions or you're ready to get this process of purchasing a home started, feel free to give me a call or contact me on the web.